In this problem, I need to factor this trinomial here. Remember, we compare it to ax squared plus bx plus c. And so in this case, a is 1, b is negative 3, and c is negative 48. So what I'm looking for is I'm going to multiply a times c, so I get 1 times negative 48, which is negative 48. So this is one of the easier type of factoring problems since my leading coefficient is 1. But I need two numbers that are going to multiply to negative 48, and then remember b is negative 3, and they're going to add to negative 3. So what we're going to do is we're going to be very, very systematic about it so we don't lose any combinations. So we know they need to multiply to negative 48, and they need to add to negative 3. Since they multiply to a negative number, my numbers are opposite in signs, and the one with the largest absolute value is going to be negative. So I always start with 1 and the number. And so I'm going to have 1 times negative 48. Remember, I want my bigger number to be negative so that when I add them together, I get a negative number here. Well, those add up to negative 47. I'm way away from what I want. So now you does 2 divide into 48? Yes, 24 times. So 2 times negative 24 is negative 48. And what is 2 added to a negative 24? Well, that is negative 22. So that is not the number that I'm looking for up here. So just keep going. Does 3 go into 48? Yes, I think 3 times negative 16 is negative 48. And what's 3 plus a negative 16? It is negative 13. I'm getting closer. Does 4 go into negative 48? Yes, I think it's 4 times negative 12 is negative 48. And what is 4 plus a negative 12? That is a negative 8. Getting closer. Does 5 divide evenly into negative 48? Nope. Does 6 divide evenly into negative 48? Yes. So 6 times negative 8 is negative 48. And 6 plus a negative 8 is a negative 2. Close to the number I want, but it's not it. Does 7 divide into negative 48 evenly? No. So now these two numbers have met in the middle. Since 7 didn't work, I've now met my other factor, and that says that there are no other combinations I can have. Therefore, it is not possible to have two numbers that multiply to negative 48 and add to negative 3. Therefore, it means that this trinomial x squared minus 3x minus 48 is prime. But the main reason I wanted to do this video is to show you the systematic way I figure out, do the numbers I want exist. It doesn't take very long. If you have a calculator, you just divide each number into your 48. And it's important you just get the signs correct. So always look at the signs first, and that will help you with the rest of the problem.